What up? What up? All right. Today we are going to discuss 6 product creation steps. And so let's do that. Let's jump into it. So hopefully these will kind of just help you with just getting a quick process together so you can start really developing and creating uh, the product or service that you're going to ultimately create. So again, these are 6 product creation steps. So let's review. Number 1 says identify a field or industry. All right, so what area, industry, field, what are you going into? Let's just identify that and list that down. Okay, so it could be some sort of technology, some sort of service, whether that's specific to, I don't know, sports, banking, um, so whatever industry, it doesn't matter. Just pick the industry that you're looking to create this product or service in. All right, number 2, identify help. So list, right? You want to think about, and then you want to list individuals who might be able to help you in your journey. So who are people that you know, or at least may be able to get access to, that can help you specifically create or develop this product or service, because they have like a specific level of expertise or whatnot. So who are these people? Let's identify them. Let's list them so we can kind of get a general idea of what kind of help we might be able to get to put this thing together. Number 3 here, it says list problems, challenges, and that may be like small or large, that are occurring. So what are the problems? What's the challenges on a micro level, on a macro level, for this particular industry, for these particular people that you're looking to solve this problem for? So you want to just kind of list some of the small challenges, some of the large challenges, and then what are all the problems that might be going on that's going to lead you to create this sort of solution, this product, this service. Let's list those as well. Number 4, research, verify how large of an issue this challenge or problem is. So you want to identify basically the market. So how big or small is this market for the people that you're going to be servicing? And that's just important. Just it can kind of give you an idea of, hey, is this a lot of people experiencing this issue? Is it just a small group? So you just want to get a general idea. Maybe you do some Googles or some Bings, whatever. You do some search engine stuff. They just find out, hey, is there a big market for it? Get some feedback, right? You can ask some people, right? You can even jump into some of the social media and just jump right on the platforms and ask people, hey, are you experiencing XYZ issue? And they can kind of give you some feedback just in terms of how big the market that you're looking for this particular thing is, or looking to create this particular thing is. So again, research, verify, what's the size of this market that we're going to be working with. Number 5 says create a solution for that challenge. So it's that simple. Create a solution. Think about what that solution for this market, for these people, what's the solution ultimately going to be, right? Is it a product? Is it a service? Is it something they got to hold? Is it information? What is it? Right? So mentally go ahead about the exercise of creating and formulating exactly what that solution would be for them. And then lastly, just build a test model, right? So actually go out and take that idea from just what you think the solution is to something actually a practical working model, what that is. So let's get a test model going, build it, right? And then start with that. That's going to be your your beginning stage to ultimately your end stage model of this solution. So you're going to have your solution, and you'll be able to ultimately take it out, have people kind of interact and experience with it, and then that's it. That's it. So those are just 6 product creation steps to hopefully help you get you going creating your product, your service. And with that, I'm going to see you on the next video. Before I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, give me some feedback, tell me if this helps or not. And again, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.